PuriNose Inhaler claims to offer a range of impressive health benefits, from eliminating parasites and boosting immunity to improving nutrient absorption and even preventing chronic diseases. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? That's why I took a closer look to see if it really lives up to these bold claims. One of the biggest red flags is the alleged FDA certification, which appears to be fake upon closer inspection. Additionally, the promotional materials use an AI-generated doctor image, which raises concerns about the credibility of the brand. The marketing for this product is also quite aggressive, making it seem like a must-have solution for all sorts of health issues. But without solid scientific backing, it's difficult to verify its true effectiveness. Another thing to consider is the exaggerated success rate being advertised whenever a product claims near-perfect results. It's important to be skeptical. And let's not forget the customer reviews, which seem suspicious, with overly positive feedback that may not be entirely genuine. While some users might have had a decent experience, there are too many unanswered questions about PuriNose Inhaler to fully trust its claims. If you're considering buying it, make sure to do your own research and be cautious. Have you tried this product? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.